Hi, I'm back again with another mind-blowing video, and today is going to be about jeans. Okay, streetwears. I'm majoring on denim jean this evening, and this is about some ladies or some girls that chat me up and they say, "Mama, I'm a student and I am broke. I don't know ready to wear business. I don't know what to go into. I don't know what to make." Oh yeah. This is somebody's business. Where I want you, don't look at the rags. Oh. You see the rags that is rolling in? Maybe it looks like rag to you. Okay. Look at the price that you're tagged on it. How much is that? $15,000. Now come down to Nigeria. It might not be up to $15,000, but I can tell you for free that our baggy jeans today, without design, plain without design, in some places go for as high as 60,000, 40,000, 35,000. Wholesale price is 22,000 naira. They no go come on 1 naira for you. For something that somebody just sat down in the comfort of her house and decided to just scatter the jean. And the money is rolling in. And the money is rolling in. Be looking at these jeans while I talk to your spirit. And I pray your heart to be open. Because a lot of people always used to tell me, a lot of people always, it's not possible. That's not how it was done. You tag some of these things to be high, expensive. It's difficult to make. Something that you can sit in the comfort of your home, carry your scissors, carry your hypo if you don't have chemical, carry your foam if you don't have the special brush, and design your own jean and wear it. I have bought I have a shop in the market, and I have people that do these things in the market, and I say, it's not like I want to expose their secrets, but I want to let you know that the only thing that is limiting you is yourself. The only thing that is limiting you is yourself. Is your inner person that is telling yourself, oh, it's difficult to make, I cannot do it. Do you understand? People are doing it on a daily basis and they are cashing out. That thing you think is rubbish. I'm telling you now, and you're looking at how possible it is. Look at this design. What happened to your soldering iron? Okay, I wanted to say something. I have a shop in the market, and in the market, forget about having a shop in the market. Let me tell you your own day-to-day. I know that all of you here go to the OK markets to buy OK jeans sometimes. It's not everybody now that can afford the brand new jean. Now, have you ever gone to the OK jean? If you have not done it before, do it tomorrow. Go to the OK jean. The person selling that OK jean for you, tell him, I want to rugged these jeans. I want to, there's something that is called, I want to rough this jean. What's the name of this design? To scrape it, to tear it. Tell them that you want to do it. The highest they can collect for you to do some of these designs is 500 naira. It go shock you, but now come down to the island. There are some people that this is their work. They go out there, carry bale of jean, okay, and design it and sell same jean 30,000, 40,000 for jean that they bought. Sometimes the highest they can buy it, let's assume, is 2,000 naira. But being that they are buying in bale, it might be as low as 500 naira. As I'm saying it now, you will think I am lying. You will think I am lying until you experience it. Some of the things you see in your day-to-day boutique shops are not difficult at all to make. So I sent someone a video, and the person looked at my video and said, is that how they made it? These things are not difficult to make at all. What is difficult in what this person is wearing now? Your normal trouser, crepe normal trouser, stretchy crepe normal trouser, cut it at knee level, attach another jean down. That is all they did there. But if they tell you how much they bought this jean, you will not believe it. Now, it's possible that the upper part of this jean was used to make bomb shots. You see, the person has gotten two products in one. Don't think that these things came from one important company. Then they run out for your backyard. You feel no know. You feel no know. It's just like someone went to the club to buy Azul, and he bought it for 100,000, but the normal Azul is sold for 800,000 naira. Now, it might not be that it's fake. It might not be that it's bad to my health. It's just that the person has decided to use another company name. These things are being done here in Nigeria. Are you aware that if you want Balenciaga's label is in the market, you want D&G label is in the market? Are you aware? They make these things and they paste it on it. Why can't you? The only thing limiting you today is yourself. Now you go to that normal bend down boutique jean, buy a good jean. They still have first grade. Buy first grade, cut it to short knicker. Use the what you cut out of the short knicker to make this badge on the white t-shirt. If they tell you how much this cloth is going for, you will know that you are just wasting time on my channel. I thank God for the people that are taking to my advice and they are doing exploits. They are doing exploits. They are already making money. They are already cashing out. Are you a student in a university? This is your normal day-to-day wear. What is hindering you? What is hindering you? I have a son in the university. I buy and make and send to him, and he makes it and has extra change. What exactly is hindering you? A lot of us are making hoodies here, are making joggers here. So what's the problem in cutting out a patch and pasting it on the joggers and using needle to pick the edges of it to make that rough? That crazy jean hair. Crazy, sorry. I'm actually making this video outside, so I'm looking for who will help me with the name. When you want to make crazy jeans, when you are buying from Bend Down Boutique tomorrow, tell the person, I want to turn this jean to crazy. Now 500 naira. Now razor. Personally, I've seen where they are doing it. I won't be exposing people's businesses. But if you're on this my channel, that means you want to go into the ready-to-wear business. How many can we there here? 8,000 in Nigeria, of a market of about hundreds of millions of people. You see, it's just like a drop in the sea. And even if you don't want to, you can make it by yourself. Go and buy children crazy jeans. This particular jean was made crazy and was beaded. Bead, connect from one side to the other. Use needle tack am for this side, use needle tack am. That's all they did. Nothing else. You know, sometimes when I'm doing tutorials, I will tell you, sometimes there are some things that we take serious. It's not really serious when you come down to the market where these things are being done. I've seen a video of I'm not saying it's bad, but I've seen a video of a fashion tutor. He will tell you 0.5, you remove here, 0.5. If you try it, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. If you do it in ready-to-wear, you are wasting your time. Where you are going to be placing 100 pieces of fabric together and using cutting machine to cut once, you now come and be seeing 0.05. It's not like I'm saying the people doing it, but I'm telling you, do it and I will still cut my own way. We are going to get the same effect. We are going to get the same effect for ready-to-wear where they market. We are going to accept that fabric is not stretchy. And go and check all your ready-to-wear designs today. All of them are made of stretchy fabrics. There's a reason. The reason is that anybody can wear it. So far it's stretchy, anybody can wear it. And if it is stretchy and you wear it anywhere where that suppose they where that's no content, there's no problem because the fabric is what? Stretchy. Now look at this particular jean here. Do you know what happened here? Draw hearts. Use hemming gum to gum another fabric. Gum another color of jean, a color of jean underneath. Use razor to trace out it from the top. Use needle to pick the edges. That's all. Turn it to crazy. I have a guy here on the island that does this business. All he doesn't even buy new jean. He will just go. It's called boyfriend. Some of them are called boyfriend jean. You just go to the Bend Down Boutique, charter them. They used to. So early in the morning, you see him like this. You come and throw sack of jean. 200 pieces, and he's going to work on all of them that same day, and he's going to supply it the next day. I don't know whether they sell or they don't sell, but I know that he designs up to 300, more than 300. If you enter his shop, there are some of the jeans that when he brings it, after he has finished working on them, this thing will not be fine. He will condemn it. But after working on it, he will take it. There's a shop that has this big industrial steaming machine. Put it there. There's a way they compress it. By the time they compress it, you go to say at the packing of as they pack them for ship from China. Do you understand? You will not know that it's steam iron and that compressed it, and they use this heat presser to press it together. So when they press it, when you give it to you and you are opening it, all your mind go be say, oh, they're not the way we then ship and pack and come. something wey dem do for one shop for backyard carry am come for front, please. Every this I'm a YouTube tutor, and my work here is to expose what I feel will be beneficiary to my viewers. I'm not spoiling anybody's business, but I just want to talk to you that these things that you are feeling that they are too difficult to do, they are not difficult at all. This particular jean you are seeing here is a straight piece jean, but because it has been reduced from opened from the side and connected with beads, they can sell this jean. But I think you should pause this video, go to the market tomorrow, watch price, go to the shops where they sell all these design jeans, and then come back to continue watching this program. What am I saying? Denim wears for streetwear, denim wears for tertiary institution is the in thing. Yes, students wear Ankara most times, but then not all of them wear Ankara. You can, when I was in school, I hardly wore skirts. After all, I even get bow leg before, so I hardly wear skirts. All my clothes were jean. So why don't you introduce these ones, these kind of things in your school? You must not wait for somebody to bring out a design. Like anywhere I turn now, I see this what is it called, cargo, Ankara cargo, palazzo trouser. Okay, I see it, this Ankara palazzo trouser now that is raining now. Okay, I see it almost everywhere. Let me tell you, the person that brought us that design have cashed out, and the person is quietly laughing at you now and seriously planning another design. You might make your own now, you will not sell it. Look at this gown. What is just the difference? What is stopping you from doing this? Now, let me tell you a secret. You see this faded part on the jean, the white part on this blue jean is done by a chemical called laundress. But if you cannot access laundress, please, hypo will do it for you. Just lay another fabric inside so that the hypo does not stain the other side of the trouser. That's all. Then use the brush to, if you don't have a brush, you use sponge, use foam to apply the hypo and use it to just scrub it. That's all. If you scrub a hypo on any fabric, that particular place where you scrub, you go quietly comot the whole color wey dey there. If you don't want it to be much, do it, dab it gently. So these things are not difficult. I don't want people telling me, oh, I don't want. If you don't have money to start, okay, start with your jean. Start with your own jean. I know some people, if you go to where they are selling this jean, you will see crowd. If you come to the outline where in the shops that sell them wholesale, you will see crowd. Sometimes I will just be passing, I will be looking, and I will just smile to myself. Anyway, business and I now. You are waiting for someone to come out with a design and everybody will rush it. Let me tell you, as you are rushing to make that cargo pant trouser, that Ankara cargo pant trouser, you might end up not selling it and you'll be complaining that business is bad. This particular jean here was done by hypo. There's a chemical called laundress, but if you don't have access to laundress, ask any dry cleaner, they will show you. If you don't have access to laundress, you can as well just use hypo. Bleach. Do you understand? What am I trying to say? Stand up today. Don't wait for people to do. When people bring out design, you rush it and start making that one. The person that brought out that cargo pant design have cashed out. They rest now. They find another design. You go soon bring out another design. And after he has finished cashing out on it, you too will now jump on it and you'll be complaining, business is not good. People are not buying. Me personally will not buy that trouser. Even though I can make it. I won't buy, because it's everywhere now. Any corner where you turn, even small picking, everybody is wearing it. And I can tell you, what stops you for buying okay jacket? Look at this. Tear it off and use cord lace to design it. I have a jacket that I bought that wasn't my size. I had to tear the center of the back and use cord lace to. Everybody was like, where did you buy? Where did you buy? Where did you buy? I did not buy it. Now the thing no size me. It tight me for belly. Now I tear the back for center, put cord lace. Okay? All the clothes you see in the boutique, most of them are first grade okay that were designed. Don't let anybody deceive you. All of them, most of them are okay designs. They're okay fabrics that were designed and they hang it for you. I know what I am telling you. If you don't have money to start from where you are. Look at this particular design. What stops you from buying denim in the market and making this? Beautiful designs. I don't want to hear, oh, this is July just started and we are about rounding up this year. If you have not started, stop getting. So people are still asking me, how can I start? Look at this one, Ankara with jean with Ankara patch. Just the way I explained the other one, that's how this one was made. Go out there and do exploits. Go out there and make things for your name, make name for yourself. The field is too big. All of us can explore, even me. Everybody can explore. My YouTube channel have given me more than I even expect. People here know that many of you people are paying me money for what I am doing, and YouTube is still paying me. So also you too can be paid. May God bless your hustle as you stand up today for yourself. Thank you so much for watching.